Okay, I want to show you this Rostfrei Switchblade knife, and I don't know if I am pronouncing this correctly or not. This is a nice switchblade knife. It's in great condition, and what I really want to show you is the fast action of the switchblade itself, so you can understand this. See how quick that is? Opened right up. Let's see if I can do that again for you. Let's see if I get the whole thing here, how quick this opens up. It's very powerful. See that? It's really quick. It's got a nice sharp blade, if you can see that. Try and bounce the light off of it for you. It's a Italian-made knife for the German market. It was made for the German market. It's a heavy knife. Weighs 6.4 ounces. And that is pretty much it. And again, that's the Rostfrei knife, and I do not know if the pronunciation is correct.